Hey everyone, this is Stephen Allison with AA Digital Media. What I'm doing today is putting together a quick video of how to add a user to your search console. It's extremely easy, so we're going to walk you through the process now. Simple enough. What you're going to do is you're going to go over to Google. You're going to type in Search Console. If you've already set this up before in the past, you're just going to simply enough click Start Now, and it's going to open you up to your Google console page. To give someone else access, you're going to click on the left side of your page to Settings. You're going to go over to Users and Permissions. And all you're going to do is click Add User. And then once you get to this page, you're going to type in the user's email address, click Add, and what that's going to do is send them an email over to them that's going to give them permission. Also, depending on what type of permissions you want to give, you can make that person the owner, you can give them full permission, or you can give them restricted permission. So depending on what access you want to give your agency or whatever person that's going to be accessing your search console, this right here is where you choose that option. So if there's any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you.